Say hello.
What'd you
Hey!
Ileana, you want to say hello? Hi, Chiquilla.
Shake it off.
Hola, dile hola.
Hi, Muffin.
My first camping trip.
Say hi, Jane.
Hello.
The fire going. Their setup's pretty nice. Jelly.
Buddy.
How are they?
What are you doing? Go, baby, go.
Carl,
Muffy.
Are you playing?
go get him.
You like the white.
Are you playing?
Go get him.
Schroeder County Park, camping at night. Taking my baby girl to bed right now, and then going to continue enjoying a beautiful bonfire with a gorgeous, clear, starry night.
You say good morning. Good morning. Happy Saturday. It's the start of day 2. More to come. Say good morning. Morning.
Good morning.
In a t-shirt.
Day 2. Good morning. Swinging with your daddy.
Smiley girl. There. Go.
Ready?
Whee! Whoa.
My ass
Is what?
is soaked.
Oh yeah, it's all wet at the bottom.
You got it. Here. Ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey, Chiquilla. You big stepper. Big stepper. Big stepper. Big stepper.
This is her balance. Come on, good
There you go.
job. Good job. Go, baby.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Go.
Go,
Go, baby.
baby.
Go, baby. Go.
Go, baby. Go, baby. Go. What is that?
This one makes a lizard. This one makes a monkey.
What?
Shake it. Shake it, girl. Shake it. Shake it, girl. Shake it, baby.
Did you wake up from a nap? Now what are we doing? What's Daddy doing? He's trying to get the fishes? Yeah. Yeah. For the vlog, Muffin. The vlog continues with baby giggles. Daddy, make her laugh.
I can't. Stop.
Bouncing girl!
Yes, you are.
Are you a bouncing girl?
Mamie's arms are gonna fall off. My arms are going to fall off.
And she's eating it.
Herman yelled at me for listening to us so too much.
Yeah. Eating the leaf for the vlog.
Oh, look at Edie.
Oh, eating it.
Mom. Flying girl.
Woohoo! Take off!
Air that's fishing. The air that's fishing.
Hit it, hit it.
Air take
Oh, oh, oh. Hey, it's Maya. It's Saturday afternoon, and we've just kind of been hanging out today. I went and saw some fish off the pier.
ate some hamburgers, and just been chilling with the fam. Everybody, this is Matthew opening up some Better Cheddars. What have you been up to today?
Eating, sleeping, cooking, and farting.
Hey,
Whoa.
what have you been up to today?
Buying wood.
Mama, what have you been up to today?
New flavors of Cards Against Humanity.
New flavors?
New categories.
Hey, what have you guys been up to today?
You can guess.
Bean bags. Tippy,
Peanut, do you know where the office is at?
what have you been up to today?
Liz,
You be a good girl?
where the
So you go to Florida, right?
Jupiter.
Very. He's gonna come play with you.
This tent was probably one of your guys' best investments.
I think so. Mom has potatoes on. What you been up to, Jean? Tippy? Maya?
Hey, hanging out with the babe. Ow.
Hermine?
Taking pictures of the campground.
Ooh,
And all of
yay.
us.
That is super fun. Matt, yo! Oh, you're in the tent with your baby. Hi, baby. What you doing?
We got
What
the
you
tunes
doing,
going.
yo? Oh, yeah. Mom and Pop, we gonna go try out some fishing.
We get more than one bass this time.
Hermine caught the bass.
Yes, I got proof. I got the bass underneath this. Alright,
We're playing. Hi. Yeah. Look at what we're doing. Look at you, my girl. There's so many books. Heck yeah.
Big camping girl.
I blanked my pants.
Shit my pants.
I wet my
Ripped.
pants.
Ripped, wet,
I
squirted in my pants.
Saturday night, we are logging off. Good night.
Buenas noches.
Happy Sunday! Good morning, day 3. We are thriving. Thriving, I think. Right, Muffin? Look at you. Oh, you all cozy bundled up in there? Yeah, because everyone can see our breath. You can't see it on the camera. Anyways, this concludes our camping weekend. We are gonna hang out together and spend the morning, pack up, and head home. Good morning.
Buenos dias.
Lissa logging in just to say one final goodbye to our campsite. We are all packed up. I have everything packed up. Maya and Matthew have everything packed up. Just one final goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.